Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or change your background on Adobe Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in express.adobe.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Adobe Express website. Now log into your account first if you haven't done so already by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you can choose from various different kind of projects that you can work on. Now once you are inside your project edit menu, if you wish to add or change a background of your current scene or layer, then you can simply click on the background color section at the top and you will now see various different colors that you can change into. You can also click on more colors in order to see all of the different options. After choosing your desired background color, it will be applied to the scene right away. You can also click on the theme option and then choose from various different ones that are available, which will also work as a background for your current scene. After choosing your theme or your background, you can start adding your elements and start completing your designs right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add or change your background on Adobe Express. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.